Today I'm going to do a super quick look and show you how to vacuum seal a whole chicken with the Food Saver 4400 vacuum sealer. Now make sure to check out the other recipes I have at sipbytego.com to see how to prep a whole chicken, how to season the whole chicken, how to spatchcock a whole chicken, so you're prepared to vacuum seal a whole chicken. But this is just going to get right to the point, and I'm going to dive in, and after all the spatchcocking, after bagging the chicken, I'm going to start right there, and I'm going to show you exactly how to vacuum seal it with the Food Saver 4400 vacuum. Now, I just want to point out that I do have another video that shows you how exactly you can go about vacuum sealing a chicken. There are actually a couple different ways. Some involve putting chicken stock in the bag. You could also try putting stuffing in the chicken. But this method uses spatchcocking the chicken first because that's going to help it cook super evenly with sous vide cooking. So let's just jump, blah, blah, blah. I'm talking so fast. So let's just jump right in and go right to the point with vacuum sealing the whole chicken. Now, I definitely prefer to vacuum seal over putting the sous vide whole chicken into a large Ziploc bag. You need to start with a really large vacuum seal bag, but the reason here is it's easier to keep the chicken flat, and I'm going to show you shortly a side view of that where you can see exactly how flattened out this chicken is. You want to make sure as it goes along that the legs don't get too close to the original shape, that they remain flat. So look here, as you see when I tip the bird on its hind legs, it's nice and flat, and that's gonna allow this 3-pound sous vide whole chicken to cook evenly in the sous vide bath. If you're meal prepping, now is a good time to put the chicken in the freezer or the fridge, or just cook it. So I know that went by super fast, but that is just exactly how to vacuum seal a whole chicken using the Food Saver 4400 vacuum sealer. You just have to be really careful if you have a powerful vacuum sealer because it might actually shrink those legs back up. Sometimes that's happened to me. And you really want the spatchcock chicken to lay completely flat in the bag, which means that it's gonna cook more consistently. After you cook your sous vide chicken, you're going to want to finish it in the oven, and the grill, and the smoker. Really name it. You have many, many choices, and you can check out videos for other recipes at sipbytego.com or at the SipByteGo YouTube channel. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers! Oh, and before you pick a new video, don't forget to subscribe to the SipByteGo channel on YouTube so you get my new recipes delivered right to you.